From Maharashtra Chief Minister's official residence, Varsha Bungalow, to the YB Chavan Centre in Mumbai, there were back-to-back political and administrative meetings. Within hours of suspension of controversial police officer Sachin Vaze, who has been arrested by the NIA in connection with the Antilia bomb scare probe.
A day after National Investigative Agency arrested Sachin Vaze in Antila bomb scare case, Mumbai police announced this afternoon that Sachin Vaze is suspended from his service at Special Branch. The development comes as the Special Holiday Court yesterday sent Sachin Vaze to NIA custody until 25th March.
Sachin Vaze, who was the Assistant Police Inspector in Mumbai Police, was arrested on Saturday. As NIA investigates who could this man in the PPE kit be, who parked the green Scorpio outside the Ambani residence on February 25th, the two cars could hold the clues of the case.
Do cars hold the clues in the Antilia bomb scare investigation? Let's look at what we know so far. The white Innova is in focus in the last 2 days. The NIA has seized this white Innova from the Mumbai police compound, from inside the Mumbai Police Commissioner's compound. This is the white Innova being taken away by the NIA officers and also some police officers who are involved in the investigation, which include the ATS. Let's look at the other pictures that we have. The next picture. This white Innova that we are talking about, why is this white Innova in focus? Because sources say the same white Innova was seen trailing the green Scorpio. And in the CCTV footage, you can see that clearly there was a white SUV that slows down, and there is CCTV footage. This SUV slows down, trails this Scorpio, which has its headlights on, and this Scorpio was there. The Scorpio was seen with the Innova on that day as well. Let's go to the next sequence, the next car sequence. The same white Innova, sources are telling us, was being used by Sachin Vaze's CIO unit. This is the same Innova being seized by investigating officers. Now, it gets more interesting, right? Let's go to the Scorpio pictures and tell you why it has been a big mystery. Mansukh Hiren's family claimed that Vaze was using the car. The family has said that this Scorpio was being used by Sachin Vaze from November to February. That's what the family claimed. Now, let's go to the next picture, which tells you how the story is unraveling. There are local media reports and visuals doing the rounds in the local media claiming that Sachin Vaze used the same green Scorpio on the 4th of November. This is a grab from the local media reports which show that the same green Scorpio was used on the 4th of November. Now, if you look at the sequence of events and what the NIA focus is now, they are looking at whether they can trace and look closely at the pictures and sequence of events and the tower signals to see if Vaze was present when the green Scorpio was parked there. Now, that's the focus of the investigation. Also, there was a man in a PPE suit, and the focus is now to check whether the man in the PPE suit seen walking out of that Scorpio was linked in any way to Sachin Vaze.
Even the NCP is saying there could be a thorough probe into how a car that was used by Mumbai Police Crime Branch was stealing the green Scorpio with gelatin sticks. The Antilia bomb scare probe and Mansukh Hiren death case has rocked the political scenario in Maharashtra.
वाझे प्रकरण अजून संपलेलं नाही. जोपर्यंत मनसुख हिरेन यांचा खून कसा झाला, तो कोणी केला, या संदर्भातला खुलासा होत नाही, तोपर्यंत हे प्रकरण आम्ही लावून धरू.
Will there be more stunning revelations in the case in the days to follow? Will there be a churn in Maharashtra politics over the case? Bureau Report, Republic TV.